In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to seamlessly showcase your Modula galleries on your website. Let's dive in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Modula and click on Galleries. Go to the shortcode section of your gallery and copy the shortcode. After you copied the shortcode, simply go to your dashboard and click on Pages. Edit your page. Click on the plus icon and search for the shortcode block. Paste here the shortcode of your gallery. Save your page. Another option to display your gallery is via our Gutenberg block. Now edit your page. Click on the plus icon and search for the Modula gallery block. Click on Display an existing gallery. Select your gallery from the list. Save your page. Now, if you go to your website, you'll see that on both pages the result is the same.